Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to archive a Google Classroom. Firstly, let us go to Google Classroom by clicking on these dots. Scroll down and then click on Classroom. Then go to the classroom that you want to archive. Click on these dots. You will see the option of archive. Click on it and then confirm your selection. By doing so, your selected Google Classroom will be archived. You can now access this classroom in the Archive Classes folder given on your left panel. In the same way, you can restore it if you want. So our archived classrooms are no longer available on the main page. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.